I don't think we got that actually.
Is that fun?
Go, Dibbit. She's studying her wagon like it looks different.
Or a look of...
She's looking at the wagon and trying to figure out what I did to it since she was over there.
Yeah, like, did my wagon go away or was that... Whee! Whee!
Go, Dibbits! The door is open in your wagon. That's so Mama can sit on it. Like this, I'll show you.
Smile like you're having fun.
Give me smiles. Smiles for your swing.
You're torturing her.
I'm swinging the bird swing.
Swinging, yeah. Whee!
Say bye-bye to the camera.